Hello friends, I am Professor Santosh Shakya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Oriental College of Technology, Bhopal. Today's my topic is relation. Relation in set theory. Actually, relation comes in a discrete structure related to set theory. What is relation? A relation is a set of ordered pair. Which are ordered pair? First ordered pair is domain. The domain of a relation is a set of all first coordinates x coordinate from the ordered pair, and the range is the relation of is the set of all second coordinate, it means y coordinate, from the ordered pair. For example, if we take a pair x and y, then x is called domain, y is called range. For example, given the relation 2 minus 6 1 4 2 4 0 0 1 minus 6 3 0, these are the elements or pair of a set. In this example, in case we want to find out the domain, then the domain is 0 1 2 and 3, and the range is minus 6 0 and 4. The curly braces are symbol for set. This is denoted the set. When writing the domain and range, do not repeat values. One value comes only one time. State the domain and range of the following relation. We take another example. Set elements are 2 minus 3, 4 minus 6, 3 minus 1, 6 6 and 2 3. The domain is 2 3 4 and 6, and the range is minus 3 minus 1 3 and 6. State the domain and range of the relation so in the graph. In case we want to show these element in case of x coordinate and y coordinate represent in the graph, relation is minus 4 3 minus 1 2 0 minus 4 2 3 and 3 minus 3. The domain are minus 4 minus 1 0 2 3, all first element in all pairs, and the range is minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 and 3. Representation of graph is like 3 minus 4 3 2 3 3 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 and 0 minus 4. Relation can be written in a several ways: ordered pair, table, graph or mapping. We have already seen relation represented as a ordered pair in last pages. In the form of table, take a set minus 3 4 7 2 0 minus 1 minus 2 2 minus 5 0 and 3 3. In the table representation, all x values are comes in a one column and all y values are comes in second column. For example, 3 7 0 minus 2 minus 5 and 3, these are x coordinate values, and the y coordinate values are 4 2 minus 1 2 0 and 3. What is mapping? Create two walls with the domain on the left and the range on the right. Elements are not repeated. And third point is connect element of the domain with the corresponding element in the range by drawing an arrow. Example of mapping: 2 minus 6 1 4 2 4 0 0 1 minus 6 and 3 0. These are the pairs or element of a set which are given. Then we design a one oval in the domain side and one oval in the range side. Domain element 2 1 0 and 3. The range element is minus 6 4 and 0. 2 with 6, then 2 connected with 6, 1 with 4, 1 connected with 4, 2 with 4, 2 connected with 4. All these elements are like this connectivity. It means all domain elements are connected corresponding all range elements. In summary, a relation is a set of pair of input and output values. There are four ways to represent relations. First one is ordered pair. It means input and output. X values are input, y values are output. Minus 3 4, 3 minus 1, 4 minus 1 and 4 3. These are the input and output formation. In the mapping, one field is called input, second field are called output. It means domain are called input and range are called output, and connect one element to the second element. Table format: x coordinate are comes in one column, y coordinate comes in second column, and last one is graph. In the graph, we do not represent all the elements which are given in a set of elements. Thanks.